Now we see about bacteriology of milk. Milk is an excellent medium for the growth of even pathogenic microorganism. Milk is an excellent medium for the growth of pathogenic organism also. It containing 5 different type of bacterium. First one is acid forming bacterium. It produced acetic acid during fermentation. Example Streptococcus lactis, Streptococcus faecalis and Lactobacilli etc. Acid forming bacterium, it will produce acetic acid when during fermentation. Example Streptococcus lactis, faecalis and Lactobacilli. Second one is alkali forming bacterium. It grow alkaline pH. Example Achromofactor. Third one is gas forming bacteria. Bacterial infection that produced gas in tissue gangrene. Third one is gas forming bacterium. Example coliform bacteria, Clostridium perfringens and Clostridium botulinum. Third group of bacterium, gas forming bacterium. First one is acid forming, second one is alkali forming, third one is gas forming. Fourth one is proteolytic bacteria. Example Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus cereus, Proteus vulgaris, Staphylococci and Micrococci. So fourth group of bacterium, proteolytic bacterium. Examples Bacillus subtilis, cereus, Proteus vulgaris, Staphylococcus and Micrococci. Fifth one is inert bacterium. Don't produce any changes in milk. Example Achromofactor and pathogenic bacterium in milk are example of this group of bacterium. Human milk containing Staphylococcus epidermidis, Streptococcus mitis, Caffea tetragenera and Staphylococcus aureus. Fresh milk don't containing any bacterium except when mother had an infection. Suppose that mother have any infection means that milk only containing Staphylococcus epidermidis, Streptococcus mitis, Caffea tetragenera and Staphylococcus aureus genera. Then what are the sources of bacterium in milk? Sources: milk ducts of udder, milk equipment, that equipment unsterilized, milk collecting vessels, milk handler, that means not wash hand proper, unclean udders, contaminated water used for cleaning these udders, and milk from diseased animals. Example brucellosis and tuberculosis. What are the sources that milk can be contaminated through bacterium? Milk ducts of udders, milk equipment, milk handlers, unclean udder, and milk from diseased animals. These animals was infected from brucellosis, tuberculosis, etc. Then milk-borne diseases. First one is infection of animal transmitted to human. Infection transmitted to human. First one is tuberculosis, brucellosis, enterotoxigenic staphylococcal infection, streptococcal infection, Q fever caused by Coxiella burnetii, anthrax, Campylobacter fetus, Yersinia enterocolitica, Leptospira. So, infection transmitted animal to human. What are the infection? Tuberculosis, brucellosis, enterotoxigenic staphylococcal infection, streptococcal infection, Q fever caused by Coxiella burnetii, anthrax, Campylobacter fetus, Yersinia enterocolitica, and Leptospira. Then milk contaminated with excreta of small mammals. Second one is from small mammals. Tick-borne encephalitis, Streptobacilli moniliformis. So, small mammals, tick-borne encephalitis and Streptobacilli moniliformis. Then infection primarily on man, transmitted through milk. From man to milk, contamination will cause typhoid fever, paratyphoid fever, cholera, Shigella, tuberculosis, hepatitis, staphylococcal food poisoning, enteropathogenic E. coli causing diarrhea or dysentery. Through man to contamination of milk. Through man, primarily man transmitted through milk. What are the disease? Typhoid fever, paratyphoid fever, cholera, Shigella, tuberculosis, hepatitis, staphylococcal food poisoning, enteropathogenic E. coli causing diarrhea or dysentery. Then pasteurization of milk. It will kill or eliminate pathogenic microorganism. Why we are using? To eliminate the risk of most of that infection. Pasteurization can be done 3 method. Holder method, flash method, ultra high temperature method. Holder method, heating 62 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Flash method, heating 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Ultra high temperature 125 degree to 132 degrees Celsius for few seconds. By using any one of this method, we will kill or eliminate pathogenic microorganism from milk sample. Biological status of milk. Untreated milk containing 500 bacteria per ml or more. It is called raw milk. Raw milk containing more than 500 bacteria per ml. Then bacteriological examination of milk. Routine bacteriological examination consists of the following method: viable count, test for coliform bacilli, methylene blue reduction test, phosphatase test, and durability test. We will see detail in separate videos. Then now we see about that pasteurization of milk. Here we are using 3 method: holder method, flash method, ultra high temperature. Holder method we are using temperature range 62 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Flash method 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Ultra high temperature 125 to 132 degrees Celsius. Then raw milk containing 500 bacteria per ml. So we will do bacteriological examination. 5 different method is there: viable count, test for coliform bacilli, methylene blue reduction test, phosphatase test, durability test. Each and every test we will see in separate videos.